Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you doing all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing in your life. This is your general love reading for November 2020. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, Aquarius. Okay, so this is the general love reading for sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign Aquarius. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages for you, my lovely Aquarius. And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, if you want to ask me anything. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for giving lots of love to the channel and for commenting beautiful, wonderful messages to me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. First is Page of Swords. Okay. Second is Ace of Pentacles. Okay. Let's see what are the messages for my beautiful, lovely Aquarius all over the world. Seven of Wands. Okay. What are the messages for my lovely Aquarius? Okay. Eight of Cups. Okay. Okay. Five of Pentacles. Aquarius, you are leaving a person or a situation behind and you are moving in a forward direction. Okay, you are moving in a forward direction. That's what I can see right now. Okay, someone offered you some offer, but you are not taking that offer. You are guarding yourself, you are protecting yourself. Because there were some secrets hidden from you and there is a devil here. So moon and secrets, there was something which was toxic for you. That's why you are leaving, and that's very good because you should not continue that relationship. See, I just cut it out and the lovers came. So the person you are dealing with in love was toxic, was keeping some secrets from you, and you get to know that. Yeah, see, bottom of the deck I'm having Three of Swords, Ace of Swords. Now you're getting your clarity that this is not good for you. You are getting it. There is no confusion around it. So this was fallen out first. Two of Swords. Before you were unable to make a decision, but now you are getting your clarity with the Ace of Swords and the Star. This is you coming in your reading. So you are getting your clarity and you are hoping for new hopes and desires. Okay, let's see what else. Any other message? Any other message which is important to my Aquarius? Okay. Eight of Pentacles. You are working so hard on this relationship, Aquarius. You were putting so much efforts in this relationship, but you are using your intuitions. High Priestess, very good, Aquarius. You are using your intuitions and you are rising as Queen of Wands. Someone who is very passionate, or this is the other person. Let me see, because there is Four of Wands, 11 card, soulmate card. So let's see what is this. Let's see any other message. Okay, Lovers. Again the Lovers has come. Any other message for my beautiful lovely Aquarius? Wow, you're getting the sun. The sun is here. Bottom of the deck, I am having 6 of wands. Success, victory, recognition, moving ahead, and that's the judgment by the divine. Okay. Any other message? Any other message? Queen of Pentacles. Okay. Any other message? Gender is not specific here, Aquarius. Take the gender according to your situation. Okay. Any other message? Two of Pentacles. Okay, I'm not going to take these cards because they're saying no. Because I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended reading in a deeper level. Okay, I'm going to clarify each card so that I can get more details about it. Okay, I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level. Going to clarify each of the cards. Let's see. Let's start your reading, Aquarius. Okay, let's start. Someone was spying on you, Aquarius, with this Page of Swords, either by Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, online. Okay, so someone was spying on you, or there were someone on who you were spying on them. Okay, either it can be both side, but someone was spying on other. Okay, either you were spying on someone or someone was spying on you. Okay, with the Page of Swords, and there was some offer given to you with this Ace of Pentacles. There was someone who gave you this stable committed offer, but your guards are up. You are not in a mood to accept this offer, Aquarius, from someone offered you this commitment. Okay, some stable commitment, but you are not accepting it because your guards are up with the Seven of Wands. You are not accepting that offer at all. You are protecting yourself, you are protecting your energy, you are protecting yourself, and you are moving away from that offer or from that person. Can you see? Eight of Cups, moving in a forward direction in search of Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. You want your wish fulfillment, okay, and you have moved forward, okay, because there is a Five of Pentacle here too. So you are moving in a forward direction, and you are leaving a person behind. Five of Pentacles, you are leaving a situation or a person behind. Why you are leaving a situation or person behind? Because there were some secrets hidden from you. The Moon card is here, so there were some secrets which were hidden from you, which you don't know, and you get to know. And there is a Devil here. Okay, there is a Devil here. So there was something which was toxic for you, which was not good at all. Something which is we call as toxicity. Okay, so there was something which is not good, because there is something. That's why you are leaving a situation or person behind, and you are doing good, Aquarius, because this was not good for you. You deserve best. And because you leave these energies behind, that's why you are getting beautiful energies. That's why you are getting beautiful energies now. You were unable to make a decision in the past. You were unable to make a decision whether to continue this relationship or to continue with this person or situation, or I should go in a forward direction. But now you are getting your clarity with this Ace of Swords. You are getting your clarity. and you are rising as a star, getting new hopes and desires. You are getting something new, hopes and desires, on which you are working so hard for some time. You're working, you're putting all the efforts, all the time, all the love, all the money, all the things. You were putting lots of efforts in that situation, in that relationship. You are putting lots of efforts, but you are not getting back what you deserve. In that situation, in that relationship, you are not getting that situation, in that relationship you are not getting that thing back. And now you are using your intuitions. Okay, you are using your intuition, and that's very good, Aquarius, because you are guided by your intuitions. Okay, you, my lovely Aquarius, are blessed with intuitions, and now you are using your intuitions, because from lot of time, maybe by 8 years, okay, 8 months, 8 days, 8, not 8 days, 8 years, 8 months can be possible. Okay, for some of you, you were putting lots of efforts in that situation, in with that person, you were putting lots of efforts, but now you saw that it's not going to work. You're rising as Queen of Wands. Okay, Queen of Wands is someone who is full of creativity, passionate, who loves passion. Okay, so you are rising as Queen of Wands. You want something passion in your life. There is no passion in your life before with this person. Okay, wow, what a combination. Queen of Wands with the High Priestess. Someone who is very passionate, go getter. Queen of Wands is all about passion. Okay, and you are using your intuitions too. You are getting new beginnings in love, Aquarius. Four of Wands, 6, 4, 6, and the Sun. The Lovers, the Four of Wands, and the Sun. You're getting new beginnings in love. Okay, you are getting new beginnings in love for sure. Either someone new is entering in your life. Okay, because this is a twin flame card, soulmate card, and this is also a soulmate card. 1 2 2 2 was the recording reading time. So yes, you are definitely getting something new beginnings in love, because there is a Lovers here and Four of Wands here. So you are getting something new beginnings in your life, in your love life. You are getting something new. So that's what I am having for you. Let's see some oracle for this. You are getting some new passionate beginning. Maybe this is your new person, Queen of Wands. That can be a possibility, but I will see that thing in the extended. Okay, because in this reading I'm not going to clarify these cards. I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended. So that can be possible. See, bottom of the deck again, I'm having the Star. So let's that can be a possibility that the new person is entered in your life, who is giving you lots of passion, the passion which you require. Okay, full of, this person is full of passion, full of creativity. Okay, that can be a possibility that this is your new person. But in the past, you are definitely leaving a person behind. You are not accepting their offer. You are not accepting their offer at all. You are guarding yourself, you are protecting yourself, your energy, you are moving in a forward direction, and you are leaving that person behind in the past. Okay, and that's very good, because you have done the right thing, because that person was very secretive, manipulative. Okay, very controlling, narcissist energy, because there is a moon and devil here too. Some of you can be dealing with Capricorn, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, but I never mentioned signs, because signs can be anyone. Okay, so here it is, the person was hiding some truth with you, was keeping some secrets with you, and there was some devil which was not good for you. That's why some of you were unable to make a decision, because you were unable to make a decision, but now you are getting your clarity. Let's see what are the oracle messages. Help me out to give the messages for my Aquarius. What are the messages? Please help me out to give the messages. What are the messages? Okay, see, Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius. Then there is a Fool. Yes, you are taking a leap of faith and you are moving in a forward direction. That's very good. And then there is a Hierophant here too. So there was something which involves marriage. Okay, you were in a relationship or in a situation which involves marriage, or 1515 was the recording reading time. So something which is equal to marriage. Okay, so there was something which was equal to marriage. Any other message? Death card. Yes, that situation is ending for you and you're taking the energy of Hermit. Okay, that situation is ending for you. You're putting an end to that relationship. You're putting that end to that situation or relationship and moving in a forward direction. You're putting an end to that relationship in which you were committed for a long period of time, or you were married to this person. Okay, and death card also is some the meaning of death card is getting end, putting an end to something so that some new beginnings can happen, and that's very good. Death and rebirth is taking place and you're taking the energy of Hermit. Hermit is someone who is doing soul searching and all, looking the answers from within yourself, and that's very good, Aquarius. Any other message? See, bottom of the deck, I'm again having the Sun, and you're keeping your patience with you. The Temperance is here. It just fell out. The Sun card and the Sun card from both of the decks. So something new beginnings are happening in your life, Aquarius. Let me see any other message. Any other message for my lovely Aquarius? Please help me, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Please help me out. See. Yeah, very good, Aquarius. I'm proud of you. There was some devil energy around you for sure. And very good that you have put an end to that. Devil and devil. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the Star. So that's you. This is you, the Star. And there was some person around you which was toxic, which was not good at all for you, which was manipulating you emotionally. Okay. Which was a great manipulator. I can say narcissist, controlling, obsessed. This energy was not good. That's why you are putting an end, and that's very good. Okay. Okay. Very good, because there was some devil for sure. Devil energy was there. There was something which was not good at all. Okay. Let me see any other message. Any other message? Any other message for my Aquarius? Any other message for my lovely, beautiful Aquarius which I need to deliver? See again. The Moon card, it just fell out of with devil, and it was devil here too with the moon and the devil. Moon and the devil. Okay, so there was something which was not good for you, which was toxic for you. They were keeping some secrets from you, Moon card and the devil. Moon card and the devil. So yes, there was something which was hidden from you. But you are putting an end. You are rising as a star. Aquarius. From both of my deck, I'm having it. And bottom of the deck, I'm having Tower. That means Divine is intervening in your situation, okay? You need to keep your intuitions high. Use your intuitions and keep moving in the forward direction, Aquarius. Don't stay in a situation which pulls you down, who breaks you, who gives you manipulation every time, who manipulates you, who controls you, who is not good, who is toxic for you, Aquarius. But that's very good, because you are rising as a star. From both of the deck, I'm having the Star here and the Sun here. So both of the deck, I'm having it. The Star and the Sun. The Star and the Sun here too. So you are keeping yourself up. You are saying no more manipulations, no more lying and cheating, no more toxicity in my life, and I'm putting an end to that. And that's very good, because when you put an end to that, universe also understand that you learn the lesson. Okay, you understand that what is good for you and what is not good for you, and that's very good, because this was not good for you, Aquarius, at all. Can you see? This was the energy in which you were dealing with, and now this is the future energy which is coming your way. This was the present energy which you were dealing with. This was not good at all, and that's very good that you're putting an end to this devil, and you're moving in a forward direction. You're leaving them behind, you're putting them out of your life like this. That's very good. Then only you will get this, the star and the sun. Very good, Aquarius. Proud of you. Proud of you. That's what I'm getting for you. I'm getting the message, proud of you. Proud of you. Okay. So Aquarius, that was the message for you, my lovely, beautiful, magical beings. And I can also say that I am also proud of you, Aquarius, that you're leaving that situation behind. That was not good at all for you, and that's very good. They offered you something, they offered you some offer, but you did not accept them. You did not accept that offer, and you are moving in a forward direction, and that's very good, because that situation or relationship was toxic for you. 2121 was the recording reading time. So in the extended, I'm going to take these cards in a deeper level. Okay, I'm going to clarify these cards, because I want to know that whether this Queen of Wands is you or whether this is your new person. Okay, I'm going to see what is this cards mean, and I'm going to add some more messages for you in that reading. Okay, I hope it help you out in some manner. If you like my video, Aquarius, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the messages, okay? And do let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, okay? But very well done, Aquarius. Keep it up, keep going in a move, keep going and keep moving in a forward direction. Okay, Aquarius, that's the message I'm getting for you all. Till the time, take care of yourself, Aquarius. See you soon, my lovely, beautiful beings.